and welcome to Data Alchemy, where in this tutorial we are going to talk about what is SQL, what are the tools that allow us to use SQL, and how to download MySQL Workbench in our laptop. So first thing, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language, which is a tool that allows us to access and manipulate data within a database. So typically SQL is used to select, insert, delete and update data within a database. So what are the tools that allow us to use SQL? These are not tools, but we call them DBMS, which stands for Database Management System. So the most popular ones are PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, and the last one, MySQL Workbench, which is the one that we are going to use. So let's download our MySQL Workbench. So you type download MySQL Server. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. You click on this link right here, and then you click on this download right here. Okay, so you can just click on no thanks, just start my download. I already downloaded, so run. Okay, yes. So now they are telling us to choose a setup type. You can leave it server only, so you click on next. Then you click on execute to download MySQL Server. Now it's downloading. Okay. Click on next, and then execute to install MySQL Server. You click on next. After the installation is done, you click on next again. Next, you don't have to worry about this much. You click on next, and now you insert a password that you have to remember it. So, and you repeat the password that you inserted. And you click on next. Click on next again. Yeah, next. Execute. After the execution is done, you click on finish. Next. And finish. Now MySQL Server is downloaded. So let's MySQL installer community. And now we have to download the MySQL Workbench, which is really the tool that where we are going to write our queries. So you just click on add button right here. Okay, and then you click on applications, and then MySQL Workbench, and you select the first one. After selecting the first option, you just click on this arrow right here, and now you click on next to install MySQL Workbench, to download first and then install it. Next, and now we have to install it. And now that the installation is completed, you just click on next and start MySQL Workbench after setup, finish. And now we are going to open MySQL Workbench. Here is it. And now this is the interface of MySQL Workbench. So the first thing you have to do is to create a MySQL connection. How to do it? You just click on this plus icon right here. Okay, and you give it a name. You give the connection any name you want. So let's name it YouTube tutorials, and now you just click on OK, and now the connection is created. You click on it, and now we are ready to write our first SQL query. So for that, I'm going to leave it for another tutorial. So stay tuned and see you in the next tutorial. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like button, and you can leave a comment if you have any question, and I will be glad to answer it. Bye bye.